Waterless Wash and Wax is our all-around kind of a detail spray. It's something you can use to clean your car basically anywhere. The cool part about that is that there's no need to use hoses, buckets, a bunch of products to clean the car. It's fortified with Carnauba Wax, which not only cleans the car, but it adds a ton of shine and a ton of gloss to it. It's an all-natural product as well. You don't have to worry about environmental concerns. You can use it near the beach, you can use it in your garage or driveway, and it produces excellent results. It's super easy to use, super convenient. I keep a bottle in my car, and it's super simple for touch-ups and all that stuff. So Waterless Wash and Wax solves the problem of cleaning your car easily. Traditionally, car washing was a pretty time-consuming job. You had a lot of water runoff, buckets of water, soap. It kind of created a mess. Waterless Wash and Wax is something that's simple to use. It's all contained in one spray bottle, and it also saves a ton of water. So Waterless Wash and Wax is something that you could use with any type of microfiber towel, or our Waterless Wash and Wax kit comes with everything you need, including a concentrate bottle. So that concentrate bottle will make 160 ounces of product to dilute to, and it basically is enough to wash 30 to 40 vehicles. So a little bit goes a long way with it. So if you're looking for a product to clean your car easily and effectively pretty much anywhere, our Waterless Wash and Wax is a great option.